Hello everyone. Today, I have an amazing story for you. It's not only for listening practice, but also to inspire you. The story is called Nothing is Free. It shows how hard work and determination can truly change a life. There was a young man named Sam, only 20 years old, living in a small, quiet town surrounded by mountains. Sam had big dreams. He wanted to own a chain of restaurants and become a successful entrepreneur. But life was not easy for him. Sam's family struggled financially. His father, Paul, worked as a mechanic, and his mother, Claire, cleaned houses just to make ends meet. Sam also had a younger sister, Sophie, who was 10 years old and looked up to him as her hero. One cold evening, Sam sat outside his small house, staring at the stars. He whispered to himself, "I want to give my family a better life. But how do I start when we barely have enough to survive tomorrow?" Later, Sam shared his dreams with his father. Paul sighed and said, "Sam, dreams are not free. If you want something, you have to fight for it. Start with what you have, even if it's small." Sam thought deeply about his father's words. Then an idea came to him. In his town, people loved fresh bread, but the nearest bakery was far away. Sam decided to sell fresh bread locally. But there was a problem. He had no money. Taking a risk, Sam walked miles to meet the bakery owner, Mr. Nick, a grumpy old man who trusted no one easily. With confidence, Sam said, "Sir, I want to sell your bread in my town. I don't have money to pay up front, but if you trust me for 1 week, I'll sell the bread, return your money, and keep a small profit." Mr. Nick raised an eyebrow. "Why should I trust you?" he asked. Sam replied firmly, "Because I'm determined, and I'll work hard to prove myself." After a long pause, Mr. Nick agreed, "I'll give you 1 week. If you fail, don't come back." Early the next morning, Sam carried the bread back to town and set up a small stand near the park. He greeted everyone with a smile, offering free samples. Slowly, people began buying. By the end of the day, he had sold everything. That evening, Sam returned the money to Mr. Nick. The old man nodded. "You kept your word. Come back tomorrow." From that day on, Sam worked tirelessly. He woke up at 4 a.m., walked to the bakery, carried bread back, and sold it with passion. After 2 months, he saved enough money to buy a small cart. One day a customer said, "Sam, why don't you bake your own bread? You'd earn more." The idea excited him, but it also scared him. He had never baked before. Then Sam realized something important. Nothing is free, not success, not knowledge, not growth. The next day, Sam asked Mr. Nick to teach him how to bake. At first, the old man refused, but Sam promised he would never forget the man who gave him his first chance. Finally, Mr. Nick agreed. The lessons began at 3 a.m. Sam struggled. His hands hurt and his bread often failed. One day, feeling defeated, he almost gave up. But he remembered his father's words, "Dreams are not free." Slowly Sam improved. After 2 weeks, Mr. Nick handed him a loaf and said, "This is perfect. You're ready?" Sam rented a small oven and started baking at home. His family supported him. Sophie helped pack bread, and his mother stayed up late with him. Soon Sam expanded into cookies and pastries. The town loved his products. Then a new bakery opened, owned by a man named Eric. It was fancy and modern, and Sam's sales dropped. Instead of giving up, Sam listened to his customers, improved his cart, added decorations, and learned cake designs by watching videos at the library. Slowly, customers returned. Months later, Sam rented a small shop and named it Sam's Fresh Bakes. His bakery became the heart of the town. One stormy night, a fire damaged his bakery. Sam was heartbroken, but not defeated. With little money left, he began again from home. Seeing his determination, the townspeople helped him with ingredients, money, and support. After months of rebuilding, Sam reopened his bakery, better than ever. At the grand reopening, the mayor said, "Sam, you are an inspiration." Sam smiled and said, "Nothing in life is free. Not success, not respect, not love. Everything must be earned through hard work, patience, and persistence. Never let failure stop you." Sam didn't just build a bakery. He built a life full of purpose, pride, and hope, and so can you. Whatever your dream is, don't stop chasing it. Remember, nothing is free, but everything is possible.